listen. So I had gotten into a little incident or whatever, and when I had got my car fixed, they didn't put my muffler hangers back on the collision place. So I have to go up here and see if I can get a reimbursement for that. And yeah, but this joint ridiculous because I also hear like some sounds while I'm driving. Like if I go over a speed bump, it'll make this weird sound, like this loud. I don't know. This is a loud sound, and I don't like it. But back to the main topic here. I just want to know if I can get a reimbursement for my hooks, my muffler hooks, because I had to go pay $40 extra to get that fixed when it was supposed to be fixed. Insurance supposed to cover that with the collision place, but I guess not. I'm gonna show y'all the hooks that I'm talking about in a second, and I'm gonna give y'all a cold start in a second too. Well, not really a cold start because I really went to the store earlier, so I'm not even finna lie to y'all like that. But yeah, I went to the store earlier, so it's like a midday start. We're gonna call it that. All right, YouTube. Let me see if I can show y'all this. Let me see if I can get under here and show y'all. All right, so you see the hook right here, and it's a hook on the other side. I don't know if y'all can see it, but that was supposed to keep my mufflers from dragging on the ground. But obviously, Thompson Collision didn't want it. They obviously wanted my shit to be dragging because my shit was not hooked on properly. So let's see if I can get reimbursement for this. I went to go get my mufflers put back on, and well, y'all see it, rehang tailpipes properly, because obviously they didn't do it properly. But Henry's Muffler Shop is the way to go if you want to get some work done to your mufflers and you in Raleigh. Yes, sir. But don't go to go to this one. This is the best one. They give you the hookup, the key. Hey, this one, alright, at least Ave, but Capitol Boulevard, yeah, they do their thing. But anyways, back to what I was saying. I got my car out on March 20th, 2020. My car was in the shop for 2 months at Thompson Collision. So I'm trying to figure out, within 2 months, how could you not complete all the stuff you were supposed to complete? How? I have to go back behind y'all and pay more money because you guys didn't want to complete it properly in the first place. But my thing is like 2 months and y'all still did not have it completed properly. That's blowing my mind right now. Shit, that's outrageous. It's along this quarter panel here where that sound comes from. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it could be. I don't know, because it was not making this sound before it went to the shop, but after it got out, it started making some weird sounds on my left hand side on the quarter panel. So we're gonna ask him to see what this is about. But let me see what I can do for y'all. I don't know if it's gonna sound too good or what, but let's see. Making a little noise today. Okay. Alright. Let me see if I can record this sound that it be making while I'm driving. So I'm gonna get back with y'all in a second. Let me see. It's always good to have some water, you know. Let me put this top on real quick. I don't need no accents because I'm spilling water and whatnot on myself. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but like, can y'all hear that? I don't know. So yeah, that's a problem. Let me see if I can go over a speed bump real quick because we got speed bumps in my neighborhood. So seconds. Man, oh man. I don't know if y'all can see that Daytona, but that thing saying nice over there. Yes, sir. But listen. Can y'all, I don't know if y'all can hear that. Can y'all hear that? I'll just go another speed bump just in case y'all didn't hear that last one. Let me go over it a little bit soon. But anyways, y'all get the point. That sound is getting annoying and it's getting on my nerves. So we better go see if we can get this fixed. Cause this is ridiculous. They had my car for 2 months and nah, this not it. Nah. It should be for 2 months. The quality should be better than this. That's all I'm saying. I just would really like for them to fix this issue, honestly, because it's outrageous. But yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know when I get there. So adios. Alright, so we almost here. We close. We like maybe 2 or 3 minutes away. I just want to see what they're gonna say, cause like if they're not trying to reimburse me, insurance, they're gonna have to do something, cause this not right. This not right, not at all. So we just want to see what they're talking about. Let's see what's up real quick. Hello. So I had to get my muffler hangers put back on. I don't know if I can get reimbursed for that.
That we'll have to get Walter. Yeah, he's outside with the customers, but he should be coming back in and you can ask him.
Okay.
Do you have a receipt and stuff?
Okay.
Yeah, if we give it to him, he goes, Kevin, do that.
Oh.
I think it would just be out in like 2 minutes. He's just looking over a car really quick.
Okay. Oh, and also, like, the car is making some sound. I don't know if I can take Walter for a ride in it to see if, like, it sounds like something need to be tightened or either untightened. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's making some. Okay.
Yeah, if there's something weird, they'll bring it in to go for a ride.
Okay. All right. And also, the car is making it's making like a weird sound. I don't know if you wanted to go for like a test ride to hear it or like.
You caught me at lunchtime in the middle of my quarter complaints.
Okay. I'm sorry.
What I have to do is submit this to the insurance company. But I'll get you an answer as quick as I can. Then I'll get you later. We'll see about getting covered for that.
Okay.
Give me the original back and I'll make a copy of it. So you're hearing some noise up underneath the vehicle?
Yeah, it's like when I'm driving, like if I go over a speed bump I'll hear it, or like if I go over like any type of bumps, or like even when I just like press the gas, like I can hear it.
Let me see if I'm like in the mechanic. Come out and take a look.
Okay. So I guess you're gonna go grab a mechanic to see if he can listen to it. To see if he can listen to it. So we're gonna see.
You got something going? Okay, thanks.
Yeah.
We may have done something to the right side. I'm just trying to think. I'll check on that and see. But I mean, I'll submit it to National Journal and see if they'll cover it.
Okay.
I'll certainly try to get that covered for you.
All right.
You'll be okay to just submit it to Lady Bright.
Okay.
Gotta scoot up a little bit.
But yeah, like if we go over a bump, you'll hear it and like you'll notice it. You hear it more from you hear it more on the left side than that's the only side you really hear it on, actually. This is the left side. So.
Well, how much time have you spent on the passenger side since you picked your car up?
Sometimes I let my girlfriend drive, so yeah.
You're a nice guy.
Yeah. Do you hear it? I'm not sure if it's coming from the outside or the inside or what.
This is a damn nice ride, man. I really like it.
Appreciate it.
I'd love to have one of these things. Actually, I'd really like to have a Hellcat.
Yeah, me too.
He's got that kind of budget.
Yeah, not I.
Hey.
Oh yeah, you did nasty.